What's up? It's Blaze from Blaze Body Lab. There's a lot of talk out there about what a false god might be, and I think that people hear that and they assume it's some huge religious concept, but the truth is, a false god is anything that you'll give your power away to. Anything you let control your identity, your choices, your emotions, or your future. And for most of my life, I had a whole collection of them. Some of my false gods weren't statues or symbols, they were things inside of me like negative mindsets and limiting beliefs and the voice in my head that said I wasn't enough and the identity that I built around my pain instead of purpose. Then there were more obvious things, right? Like, addiction and numbing myself and trying to escape instead of facing what was really going on inside. I gave my power away to substances and to old habits, to versions of myself that were never meant to survive the man that I'm becoming. And even crazier part is you don't even realize that you're worshiping something sometimes until you try to walk away from it. That's when I felt the grip. That's when I saw how much of my identity was tied to something that was killing me. But here's the truth, I'm now living a better life. Uh, I've taken my power back, which means you can too. You can break the altar that you built to your old self. You can choose discipline over destruction. You can choose intention over impulse. And you can choose to stop bowing to the things that drain you. And for me, it started with small things, right? Like getting sober, showing up for my body, eating cleaner, training when I didn't feel like it, meditating, sitting with my emotions instead of running from them, connecting with my spirit instead of numbing it. And every time I made a better choice, every time I said no to the old version of me, every time I choose discipline over chaos, I break another false god and I reclaim another piece of myself. And so if you're watching this, I want you to hear this. You don't have to stay loyal to the things that hurt you. You don't have to keep worshiping your trauma, your addiction, your excuses, or your old identity. You're allowed to outgrow the version of you that was just trying to survive. I'm not perfect and I'm not finished, but today I'm free. And not because life got easier, because I stopped giving my power away. So if you're watching this and you feel stuck, and you feel like something has its hands out around your life, start with one choice, one habit, one moment of honesty, one step towards the version of you that's been waiting to breathe. You don't have to bow to a false god anymore. You can rise, you can rebuild, and you can reclaim your life. One disciplined choice after another. So here I am, Blaze Body Lab, and this is me taking my power back. And if you're ready, you can take yours back too.